Can you sell on Amazon without inventory? Yes, you can. Amazon has several methods that allow you to sell products without keeping stock. The most common one is Amazon Dropshipping, where you list a product on Amazon and only buy it from a supplier when someone places an order. However, Amazon has strict rules for dropshipping, so you must make sure the packaging and invoices don't show the supplier's branding. Another way is Amazon Merch on Demand. You upload designs for shirts, hoodies, and other items, and Amazon prints and ships them for you when someone buys. You can also sell Kindle books through Amazon KDP, which requires no physical inventory at all. The downside is that profit margins can be smaller, and you need to follow Amazon's rules carefully. So, can you sell on Amazon without inventory? Yes. And it's more possible than ever. You just need the right method and a clear understanding of how each system works. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online business tips.